Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Asterix Solution. So this video we are going to understand the concept of abstract class in a practical manner. Now as discussed in the theoretical video, if you want to make a class abstract, just mark it abstract. So abstract is a keyword in Java, and let's say I mark my class mobile as a normal class. And what I'm going to do now is make two abstract method here. So how do you make an abstract method? Mark the method as abstract. Return type can be anything, and let's say call, and you end it here. You end it with a semicolon because abstract methods are declared and not defined. Same way I'm going to make one more method, public abstract void sms. So this is my abstract method, and to prove the theory that an abstract class can have more than one abstract method, so you have abstract methods and it can also have non-abstract methods. So let's say public void m1. This method m1 is just here for the fun of it because I want to prove that a class, an abstract class, can also have a non-abstract method. So system.out.println non-abstract method in abstract class. So simple as that. I write a class. Now what I do with this is I save it. Okay, let's say I make here a folder by name abstract, and I make the class by name mobile. So the class is compiled fine, and now what I need to do here is I have to write a class which will extend this particular class. So let's write one more class. Now this class, if you want to give a concrete implementation, just go and write a normal class and say extends mobile. Now let's say you write a class like this and you just store it, and once you store it you compile it, and let's say what it gives when it compiling. It says Samsung is not abstract and does not override abstract method SMS. So it says that your class is of nature abstract and it is not abstracting the overriding the abstract method. Though the basic rule is when you write a concrete implementation you need to override the abstract method. So I have got two abstract method here, public void call. So let's say system.out.println call of Samsung, and public void SMS system.out.println call of, sorry, this will be SMS of Samsung, and you can extra have any method you want. So let's say public void, okay, let's say Bluetooth system.out.println Bluetooth of Samsung. So now let us try to save and compile this. So this compiles fine because all the abstract methods were freshly overloaded, and now I need to write a class from where I can access this. So demo, and again as discussed, you can declare an object of an abstract class. That's not an issue. So see mobile m, I compile this, compiles fine. If I try to do now m is equal to new mobile, see what happens. Mobile is abstract, cannot be instantiated. So what can be instantiated now? The concrete implementation, which is what Samsung s is equal to new Samsung s dot call s dot sms s dot bluetooth. I save this, compile, it's compiling fine. I try to run this. Now there is one more way. Object of a superclass can be made to point at its subclass instance. Under that rule you can also say mobile m is equal to, or let's say m1 is equal to new Samsung. Now in this scenario you are trying to call the, now if you see this is a valid statement because it will compile fine now. But if I try to now access m1 dot call, it will go fine. m1 dot sms, this two lines should go fine. See how, yes, it is running fine. But if I try to do m1 dot bluetooth, see what is happening here now. When you compile, it says Bluetooth cannot find variable m1 or Bluetooth in this particular method. Why? Because superclass is pointing at its subclass instance, so it can access only those methods which are given by him and they are overridden by subclass. All extra methods will be sliced. So the picture of method slicing is available here. So You can find the source code for this particular code in the description box. Thank you for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.